Hi everyone, I welcome you all to my Facebook page where we are going to show you some beautiful lovely hairstyling video tutorial. So aren't you excited for the same? Just grab your accessories and see what lovely patterns are we going to create out of hair. See, we have made a knit-like pattern in this way by making crisscross patterns by taking partitions of the hair, and we will end up getting a beautiful lovely pattern, and these braids are simply amazing. Let's see what is going to happen now. What lovely hairstyle are we now? This is a bow-like structure where you can tie up your hair in this way and you can make lovely braids on the two sides and join it using your lovely beautiful beads. Now just take your hair and make crisscross patterns like this. Join it by twisting the hair back and forth and rolling it in this way, making these lovely cute patterns on the back side of the hair, and you will end up getting a lovely beautiful pretty hairstyle. And this is pretty much, I'm pretty sure you'll quite like it. And this is going to be a bow like structure by knitting your hair like this. Isn't it gonna be super amazing? Now let's see what are we going to create now. Take your partitions like this and make braids on the side, and with the pleats join the hair in this way so as to make a net-like pattern, and you have to do it on either side of the hair. Again make another interesting braid like this, and by joining the hair you will end up getting a lovely beautiful result. Do it on either side and you will end up getting your pretty hairstyle. Making further, we are going to show you some more interesting fascinating hairstyles, and this is how you can interlock it with the help of your clutches and roll your hair into one and secure it with the help of your beads. This is looking quite amazing. Proceeding further, make a small ponytail thin one and roll your hair in this way. Take the hair from either side of the hair and twist your hair in this way and then join it with the help of your clip. Isn't it looking pretty enough? So aren't you excited to try them on your own? These are simply amazing. Now again what you have to do, make the pattern like this, make a bow-like structure, and with the help of your thin braids, put it like in this way. Make small thin braids like this, and this is going to adorn your beauty. Now let's see what are we going to make now. Make a heartfelt pattern like this and make a beautiful lovely pattern in this way by making braids on either side of the hair. Now just take your hair in this way, make side hairstyles by making a zigzag pattern, interlock it in this way and then secure it with your beautiful beads. Again proceeding further, we have something more in store for you. Are you excited? So see, we have rolled our hair into a beautiful circular bun and then make a braid out of the leftover part and then roll it around the corner, and this is going to be simply pretty. Now again we have made two braids by doing partitions in the hair, and then we are making some interlocking patterns in this way, and this is going to be super amazing. Do it on either side of the hair and you will end up getting a beautiful lovely pattern and you will just love your hair. Now with the leftover hair, make crisscross patterns like this so as to end up getting a beautiful lovely result. Make a knit-like pattern in the middle and you will end up getting a beautiful lovely patterns like this. Now see, what are we going to do now? What are we going to make? What lovely hairstyle are there in store for us now? This is the one that we are making now by taking partitions in the hair. I'm making crisscross patterns in this way, and imagine what are we going to get now? Beautiful lovely pattern.